let us be realistic here. The first term's fees was spent and it is lost. So don't even think that we are going to sit down with you to waste time saying, oh, there were 10 days in first term. That one is not going to be there. Second term was not there. So somebody who had paid for it in advance should be refunded. If there are issues that happened in any particular school that requires that the parents and the teachers sit down together with the head teacher, and he convinces them that, you know, this is what I did, I want you to help me approve it. Then you discuss it and approve. Otherwise, everybody expects that the fees for first term, are we together, will have to be paid again because it was almost complete. Second term, if you had paid earlier, it will be refunded to you, or it will go into account for the second term. Yeah. And third term. I don't know why Kenyans are very complicated people. It's simple and straightforward.